of sexual reproduction in bacteria is transduction. Transduction is basically transmission of one bacterial DNA into another bacterial cell through a third party. We can define it is the transmission of double-stranded piece of DNA from a donor to a recipient cell through a third party, and that third party is usually a bacteriophage. This was investigated by the experiment of Zinder and Ladenburg in 1952. They were studying the Salmonella typhimurium, a bacterium which causes typhoid in mouse. तो वो टाइफीमरियम बैक्टीरिया को स्टडी करते हुए दे मिक्स द म्यूटेंट्स, यानी उन्होंने कुछ ऐसे म्यूटेंट्स बनाए विच वर अनएबल टू सिंथेसाइज सर्टेन न्यूट्रिएंट्स, जैसे वी कैन से म्यूटेंट ए and mutant B. They have made two mutants and both of them were unable to synthesize some specific nutrients. For example, nutrient A and B, this cannot be synthesized by this mutant, or nutrient C and D was unable to be synthesized by the mutant B. But when they place them in the same petri dish or same place in a medium which was lacking all these nutrients A, B, C and D, all these nutrients were lacking. Even then, when they studied it after some time, all these nutrients were found to be prepared in these bacteria. The isolated recombinants, यानी उन्हें recombinants मिले, recombinants which were able to synthesize all the nutrients. The isolated recombinants able to synthesize all the nutrients, यानी जो डाले थे बैक्टीरिया they were unable to synthesize the nutrients. लेकिन अब जो न्यू मिले बैक्टीरियाज they were recombinant, यानी वो recombinations बन गए थे in their genetic material which were able to synthesize all the nutrients, and they were suggesting the exchange of genetic material through conjugation. Conjugation, which we have previously studied, that there is the transfer of genetic material from one cell to the other through conjugation tube. तो ये उनका investigation थी कि maybe this has occurred in this case also. But later they carried a U-tube experiment. U-tube experiment was such, in U-tube they have placed one type of strain is here and this type of strain here. In each arm of the tube they have placed these mutants which were unable to synthesize some specific nutrients. I have named the nutrients A and B, C and D. Now they have placed a glass filter here. This glass filter was making it unable to movement of bacteria from here to other arm. But when they have given some time to this tube, they have ruled out that the conjugation hasn't occurred because the bacteria cannot move through this glass filter. But even then, there was all the nutrients were even present in B and as well as A. They have found that even when they have applied the DNase, DNase is the enzyme which is responsible for controlling the transformation factor, which was studied by Frederick and Griffith, that was responsible for exchange of material. But here they have ruled out that there is some filterable particles or small size particles which are basically moving from one mutant to the other through this glass filter, which are responsible for exchange of genetic material between this A and B, which is making them able to synthesize all the nutrients. Even B is synthesizing A, B, C and D all nutrients, and even A can also synthesize all the nutrients which were required and which it was mutant for. Okay? And when they studied all this experiment, after that they have investigated the mechanism of transduction. They have named this form of genetic material exchange, they have named it transduction. Mechanism of transduction is basically, they have found that transduction is through some other entity which is filterable, and they have found it is bacteriophage or phage viruses which are responsible for this transduction. They can even move through this filterable components, or they are filterable components, so they can even move through this glass filter. The mechanism which is opted by these bacteriophages is first they attach themselves to the surface of the bacterial cell, and then they inject their DNA within the cell. When they inject their DNA, their DNA makes gets charged over the chromosome of the DNA. It causes its partition into the pieces. When it converts into the pieces, its DNA of bacteria also get into the protein coat of some bacteriophages. यानी viral